COTI stands for Currency of the Internet, and it is an enterprise-grade fintech platform that empowers organizations to build their own payment solution and digitize any currency to save time and money with blockchain technology. It has been built by COTI Network, a software development company based in Israel. COTI was initially built on Ethereum. It then migrated on its own blockchain with its own cryptocurrency, and it launched its mainnet in 2019. COTI was founded in 2017 by Samuel Falcon and David Asaraf. David has many years of experience in finance, including HSBC Bank, where he worked for 2 years. Samuel has experience in many different fields. He founded Loring Network, a company that focuses on telecommunication and intelligent IoT implementation worldwide, along with software development for the IoT world. The team is then made of many experts in different fields. They also have some important names as advisors or investors to back them up, including the founder of Simplex, the founder of On-Chain Capital, the former chief information officer from BlackRock, and others. COTI is a decentralized, high-performance cryptocurrency ecosystem optimized for creating digital payment networks and stablecoins, and it works with the proof of trust. This includes a unique combination of the trust chain algorithm and proof of work. The trust chain algorithm is an innovative protocol in the form of a directed acyclic graph-based ledger, or DAG, and actually consists of multiple DAGs, allowing the network to create multiple tokens. This directed acyclic graph is built from transactions connected through time and uses a trust-based algorithm, which means, based on a combination of the network participants' historical behavior data, the users get a score. This score is used on the main blockchain to validate and confirm transactions faster. The score of the different users are monitored and updated by score nodes. Users this way are incentivized to make valid transactions, avoid invalid transactions, and avoid transact with low-score users to keep their score high and increase it higher over time. The networks is built by different components, full nodes. These decentralized servers run by ordinary users on the network. They process all the transactions on the COTI network, and they set in part their own transaction fee. Some nodes may set a higher fee if they believe they provide a good service. There are then history nodes which keep the full account history of the network, score nodes, and DSP nodes. COTI has built mechanisms to monitor, detect, and defend against possible attacks, ensuring network security with proof of work. This includes COTI's double spend prevention nodes, or DPS, and novel protocols. Double spend prevention nodes can in fact address these transactions for a dispute. These transactions will lastly be reverted if the majority of the votes decide to do so with this arbitration service. Novel protocols can vote on other disputes on the networks, and they are incentivized to do so to get rewarded with COTI coins. Before we continue, I just want to clarify something that you might have forgotten. We only do educational entertainment, and my job here is not to be your financial advisor, so please do your own researches before investing. The base layer protocol is powered by COTI token, the native cryptocurrency that is used for payments, including fees and staking on the trust chain ecosystem. The token also exists on the Ethereum blockchain as ERC20, on the Binance blockchain as BEP2, and on the Binance Smart Chain as BEP20 token. The COTI network uses a transparent and equitable fee model. All fees are collected by full nodes. The COTI network receives a portion of fees collected by full nodes to support infrastructural technology such as the double spend prevention nodes and trust score servers mentioned above. There will be a maximum of 2 billion COTI coins, and at the moment 1.05 or 52% is already in circulation, with 18,000 holders for the ERC20 tokens, according to EtherScan. The price is at around $0.09 per coin, and its market capitalization is just $93 million. We will discuss shortly what we could expect in the future. This is how the supply was initially distributed. 30% was for the initial token sale. This includes private and public sales, and it had a vest period up to 42 months. 45% of the supply is for incentives and liquidity reserve. Lastly, 15% for the team and 10% for the advisors. Both will be slowly unlocked over 10 years to reach the full amount unlocked in 2032. These long vest period will maintain price stability. Team and advisors will not be able to increase sell pressure significantly, thanks to this positive predetermined condition. In order to provide a completely decentralized ecosystem for online payments, COTI is exploring various alternatives to enable decentralized governance in the future. This governance structure will be responsible for implementing decisions that impact the base protocol, the future use of COTI tokens, investments, and more. This governing body will not only vote on such matters, but will also be responsible for executing the changes they vote for. You can stake COTI cryptocurrency for different percentages rewards from 15% to 25% yearly, depending on the amount of COTI staked. For the 25% rewards at the current price, you would have to stake almost $70,000 worth of COTI, so it is quite a lot. But even the lowest one provides good interests. You can run a full node with the minimum staked amount as you can see here, or you can delegate to other nodes. Both nodes and delegators earn the same yearly percentages. The easiest way to stake is by delegating to a community node from their official wallet, COTI Pay Viper, available on web and mobile devices. Lastly, you can also participate into the treasury pool. Here you can get much higher rewards because you can leverage your deposited COTI tokens, but it has also a risk because if the collateral ration falls below 110%, it gets liquidated. Currently, 36% of the total circulating supply is at stake, and I think this will increase, but we will monitor and give an update in the future. COTI offers also other kind of services, which drives higher demand over time. This includes COTI Pay, with their vision of becoming a decentralized and scalable payments network to facilitate efficient global commerce. This because traditional payment systems like Visa and MasterCard cost consumers and retailers hundreds of billions of dollars every year due to high fees. COTI Pay accommodates a variety of technologies that will work in concert to provide consumers and merchants with a vastly improved payment experience utilizing COTI Dime, a price stablecoin. COTI allows you to build your own payment network with your own digital wallet and your own coin. This includes benefits like full network control by creating your own fees, promotion, and loyalty programs. This allows you to support micropayments, something that becomes difficult with traditional payment networks for the high fees. Your own network would increase revenues and decrease operational costs and transaction fees, with less dependence on third parties, like external banks, and many other benefits. Another important COTI'S service is the allowance to create your own stablecoin. COTI is the world's first platform optimized for creating price stablecoins, and it is also the issuer of the first stablecoin on Cardano network, built by the Cardano team IOHK. Important to remember that a percentage of the fees from the transactions generated on Cardano blockchain while using the stablecoin will be used to buy back COTI cryptocurrency. Loyalty Network is another service that they provide to increase profits and customer retention. COTI created this system where companies can create and issue tokens that serve as loyalty points, allowing also the cooperation with other marketplaces and merchants to exchange tokens between them to encourage loyalty and customer retention. COTI Network also offers a debit card and a bank account to integrate always more with the everyday banking and bring mass adoption. From here, you can easily convert your COTI coins into fiat currency and spend with your debit card. This has been created in collaboration with Simplex, a fiat crypto infrastructure licensed financial institution, which empowers its vast network of partners to accept the widest range of payment methods, including Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, and many more. Back in 2021, the COTI CEO Shehaf Bar-Jeffen and Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, announced that IOHK, Cardano will build, in collaboration with COTI, their first stable on the Cardano blockchain, and this will be maintained by COTI Network. Charles Hoskinson has shown trust and confidence in this project, and that this stable coin it is built as it should have been, and it is definitely positive for COTI holders, as Cardano is one of the most capitalized blockchains, and it will drive a lot of attentions to COTI if the stablecoin is successful. JED recently launched, so if you want to see how it works, I recommend you to watch this video on top right. Cardano's stablecoin not only will drive a lot of attention and investor to COTI blockchain, but will also reward COTI holders in ADA coin from its operating fees. This is definitely the biggest partnership that COTI had, but it is not the only one, as they did many other partnerships with tens of projects out there in need of their services. COTI raised over $20 million from different token sales at the beginning when many investors came on board, with an average price of 0.08, slightly lower than what the price is now, range which definitely represents a strong resistance for the coin. The price as mentioned above is just 0.09 per coin, down over 85% from its all-time high back in October, when it reached almost $0.65 per coin. The token definitely has a strong resistance around this range, but it all depends on how Bitcoin will perform, considering we are in a bear market, and the macroeconomy doesn't look promising for the near term with high interest rates, high inflation rates, etc. I would not expect Bitcoin to turn bullish anytime soon, so it is possible that COTI will go further down, because I believe Bitcoin dominance still has to grow. In bear market, usually capital moves from altcoins into Bitcoin. Bitcoin's dominance will likely grow, and altcoins will bleed against Bitcoin. We don't know what is going to happen in the short term, and I am not going to buy more COTI tokens. However, I will hold on the tokens I have, and I will keep staking it because I think in the long term COTI will come out stronger after this bear market. I will keep an eye on the development, and I will reconsider and give an update on the channel when I will think we will likely touch a bottom and start rising. If in the near future Bitcoin will turn bullish, of course, all the altcoins will follow, and COTI will definitely increase significantly. If you want to buy the token, you can buy it on many different platforms, as they got listed in the past months on a lot of exchanges. Most of them support the ERC20 token. COTI seems a great project, but are we sure it is? I do have some concerns which I would like to share with you to better understand and maybe come to a conclusion in the comments below. First of all, I couldn't find anything in relation to how many nodes the network has to understand how decentralized is the network. Looks like one of the founders, Samuel Falcon, has some connection with this old binary options fraud company called 12Trade. I couldn't find much about it, but I will link down below the links that I found. This company seemed to be banned from many countries and seems like the CEO is the same co-founder of COTI. However, what do you think about it? Do you think this is legit or false accusations? COTI provides the 7 important necessary elements for a perfect payment infrastructure. First, scalability. It allows to process over 100,000 transactions per second, and this makes it extremely fast. The trust chain is extremely scalable with the consensus mechanism we saw above. COTI is simple to use with efficient solutions. COTI provides the first ever dispute resolution system to safeguard users against errors, fraud, and counterparty abuse, which is extremely important for the adoption, as users feel confident and secure. COTI is then creating price stability, extremely important for everyday use and mass adoption. Blockchain solutions allow us to have extremely fast transactions, low costs, and high security, as we explained before. COTI is also cross-chain. As mentioned above, it exists on different blockchains, which opens to different markets and can bring much more users on board. I believe COTI brings interesting solutions, and it will likely come out the bear market stronger than before, with its developments and adoption increasing day by day. COTI token has a lot of utilities, and I think in the future will be a leading blockchain in the payments sector. The more collaborations and projects will launch with COTI, the more the demand will increase and the token will rise in value. If you want to stay up to date with their development, you can follow them on Twitter or on different social media, or subscribe to my channel for updates on this and many other projects.